Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Made Easy, the podcast where you learn English the same way people speak it in real life. I'm Penny.
And I'm Andrew. Penny, you look excited today. What's going on?
Oh, I've got big plans for the weekend.
Really? What are you going to do?
I'm going to try indoor skydiving.
What? You're going to jump inside a giant wind machine?
Yes, I found a place near my house. I'm going there on Saturday afternoon.
Okay, stop. This is perfect English learning already. Listeners, did you hear that? Penny said, I'm going to try. That's a plan she already decided. Then she said, I'm going there on Saturday. That's present continuous because the time and place are fixed.
Exactly. So, Andrew, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm not sure yet. I might visit my parents. I haven't decided.
There it is. Might. That means it's possible, but not certain.
Yes, it depends on my brother. If he goes, I'll go. If he doesn't, I'll probably just stay home and sleep. I love sleeping.
You always sleep. You might be the only person I know whose future plan is to nap.
Hey, sleep is important. Anyway, what about tonight? What are you doing after this podcast?
Oh, tonight. I'm meeting my cousin at a new cafe. We booked a table, so it's 100% happening.
Nice. I'm probably going to watch a movie. Actually, no, wait. I'll probably fall asleep halfway through the movie.
Listeners, Andrew just used probably with will. We use will when we decide something at the moment or when we predict the future.
Yeah, like, I will call you later. That's a promise. Or it'll rain tomorrow. That's a prediction.
Speaking of predictions, what do you think your life will be like in 5 years?
In 5 years, I'll definitely be rich and famous. No, realistically, I'll probably still be drinking tea and complaining about the weather.
Very British. In 5 years, I'm going to live abroad. That's my plan. I've wanted to do it for ages.
Which country?
Not sure yet. I might move to Canada. I love the snow, but I might also stay here. I'm not good at decisions.
That's why we teach English. Decisions are too stressful.
Okay, Andrew, let's play a quick game. I give you a situation. You tell me your future plan.
Okay, let's go.
Your friend calls you and says, "Let's go for dinner tonight." What would you say?
I'll see. I just woke up from a nap. But if I go, I'm going to eat pizza.
Good. Will for the decision now, going to for the plan. Next one. Your car breaks down. What will happen?
Oh no, I'll probably cry. Then I'm going to call a mechanic.
Perfect. Last question. Next year's holiday plans?
I'm going to travel somewhere warm. I don't know where, but I'm not spending another winter freezing.
Warm plans are the best plans.
Let's recap the useful phrases like quickly and painlessly.
Going to, planned intentions. I'm going to try indoor skydiving. You decided before speaking.
Present continuous. Fixed plans with time and place. I'm meeting my cousin at 7. It's arranged.
Will, predictions, spontaneous decisions, promises. I'll probably sleep. You decided during the conversation, might, possible plans, not sure. I might visit my parents. Probably, definitely. How sure you are. I'll probably watch TV. I'll definitely go.
Use these in real conversations and people will think, wow, your English sounds natural.
And if you want more English made easy, you know what to do.
Like this video, share it, and subscribe.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.